In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet, a handy feature for those times when you need to present information, collaborate with colleagues, or conduct a virtual demonstration. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the site by typing in meetgoogle.com, or alternatively, you can launch the Google Meet app if you have it installed on your device. Once you have Google Meet open, the next step is to join a meeting. You'll do this by clicking on Enter a Code or Link. This is where you'll input the unique meeting code or link you've been provided, which connects you to the correct meeting room. After entering the code, go ahead and click the Join button. Now, at times you may see an option to ask to join. This appears if the meeting requires permission to enter. Simply click on it, and once you're granted permission, proceed by clicking Join Now. With these steps, you're successfully in the meeting and can start getting ready to present your screen. To begin sharing your screen, look towards the bottom right of your Google Meet window. Here you'll find an option labelled Present Now. Go ahead and click on it, which will prompt you with several choices for how you'd like to share your screen. You can choose to share a single tab from your browser, a useful option if you only need to present specific website content or an online application. Alternatively, you have the option to share an entire window, which can be particularly helpful if you're working with multiple files or documents simultaneously. Finally, there's also the choice to share your entire screen. This option is ideal when you need to navigate between different programs or applications throughout your presentation. After selecting the option that best suits your needs, you'll be asked to select the specific tab, window, or screen that you wish to share. Simply click on your selection and then click Share. Your screen is now visible to everyone in the meeting, allowing you to proceed with your presentation. When you've completed your presentation or need to stop sharing for any reason, there is an easy way to do this too. Just click Stop Sharing, usually displayed prominently to ensure a seamless transition back to just a simple meeting without the screen share. It's also worth noting that even if someone else is currently presenting, you can still share your screen by following the same steps. Starting your presentation will automatically pause whoever is presenting at that time, allowing you to share your content seamlessly. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient walkthrough on sharing your screen on Google Meet. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your virtual meeting experiences.